If you see or experience cyberbullying, it might seem like there's nothing you can do. You can take action to respond and recover if you experience cyberbullying. You can't blame the victim for being a target of cyberbullying. Even with the best plans, sometimes things go wrong. Still, if you do experience cyberbullying, there are some things you can do to stop it and make sure it doesn't keep happening. Maximize your privacy settings so the only people who will see your content are people you approve. Avoid sharing everything just for likes and follows. Think twice before posting or sharing.
If you're experiencing cyberbullying, it's important to take action and respond appropriately. Don't try to retaliate and risk becoming a bully yourself. Instead, you can save screenshots or copies of unwanted messages and posts. Save the evidence somewhere separate from your device or account, such as an external drive, online storage, or forward it to a trusted adult in an email. Report the situation. Find a trusted adult and let them know what is happening. Remember, it's not your fault, and you won't be the one to get in trouble if you report cyberbullying.
You can recover from cyberbullying and stop it from continuing to happen. You can practice digital resilience by responding appropriately and reporting the situation. After that, you can foster real-world friendships and relationships. Build allies, join activities, and share positive online activities with them. Consider what apps you might want to participate in. Delete accounts that are not serving you and making your life better. Change privacy settings on apps you want to keep using. Be an ally. Speak up against cyberbullying and stand up for others. By being inclusive and positive, you can help create a safer digital world for everyone.